Hey everyone, just wanted to quickly do a video for you and to say Happy New Year. I hope 2018 will be a happy, healthy, and successful year for you all. Hope also your week is off to a good start. I want to show you what a $5,000 trade looks like on charts. Today, woke up and looked at the gaps list, wasn't impressed at all, except for one gap, and it was the WFT. It had what we call a mortgage or a monster gap. Even though it doesn't quite meet the criteria, it was just as good. Notice on the last day of the year, Friday, the stock had a big green bar and 25 million shares went into it, and the stock closed at almost at the high of the day, meaning the buyers stayed long into the new year. And today, the stock gapped down, gapped under Friday's bar, which was a pretty big bar, as I said, but also under these bars too. So gapped under all of this. Anybody that bought it, anybody and everybody that bought it in the last few days of the year, last year, was underwater today. So I knew a lot of these people would be wanting out and would want to exit, and that would put pressure on the stock and push the price lower. Now, the beautiful thing about the stock is it's super liquid. It has zero spread. When I say it has zero spread, I mean it has 1 penny spread. Really liquid, very deep level 2. So you could actually scalp it. And that's what I did while on the mic at the open with the room. And so I did it more than once, but basically the grand total was $5,200. Let me get this out of the way and show you the plays that I did. So at the open, gapped almost into the rising 20, got bought a little bit. I'm going to the 1 minute chart and I'll show you. And then it gave us kind of a sell setup, a quasi sell setup. So what I did is live on the mic, short at 373, stop 374, 1 penny. What do you lose? 1 penny, right? I don't remember the exact share size. Of course, I can go back and take a look, but here's my orders, right? That's all I did, WFT. But the other things that I did was some of the swing plays. But as a day trade, it's the only thing that I did. So short, stop, and then out. Okay, another sell setup, kind of a quasi short, and then penny by penny. Went climactic while we were in it. I mean, that's the best case scenario. Flipped it long, didn't really make much money. Flipped it again long, one more time, made like a couple hundred bucks. And then at lunch, I think it was off the 5 minute, I called a short on it. So under the base, stop above it, and then out at 42, almost into the low of the day. And I'm trading, obviously, when I'm doing the big share size and I'm managing based on the level 2, I'm paying attention to the level 2, basically, the offer, the bid, how they are stacking up, right? The offers and the bids. And as soon as the offer is lifted, then I'm out, right? So out there. And then there was one other trade on it, which was this afternoon under the base, stop above it. And it went a little bit initially, but then it just didn't follow through. So I didn't really make any money on the last trade. But in the morning, 2-3 trades, and then base breakdown at lunch, made a little bit of money, and overall 5,000 bucks. The other trades that you see on my P&L, these are just some swing trades that I've had for a while. But really, the only day trade that I did was the WFT today. And I thought I'd share it with you. How can you tell this was going to be a winner? Well, you start with the gap. There's no way to know, but you start with the gap. If you know how to read gaps, and if you don't, we offer a class for that, right? The advanced gap strategies. You can reach out to customer service at T3, take the class. You learn how to read gaps and be able to look for what I call trappage, right? Traders that are trapped. Because if you trap a cat in the corner of a room, it will hurt you, it'll scratch you up. Imagine when traders, human beings, are trapped. It's easy to predict their reaction and what they're going to do, right? Most of the time, not 100% of the time. So we teach a class exclusively on just gaps trading. And so this is what this was. It was a gaps play that I took at the Open, and again several times later on. And I thought there were other things today, but to tell you the truth, I passed on everything. ATVI, the 15-minute buy setup was nice. PPC, I think, the breakdown was short-lived, but probably got to the target. Was nice. I don't know, a bunch of other things that worked. But if something is working, why not just focus on that, right? Why scatter yourself or be scattered and all over the place? So I just decided to focus on the WFT, and it really paid off. First day of the year, so I couldn't ask for more. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's short video. And again, just want to wish you a happy and mostly healthy, because without health, we wouldn't be able to do what we do, a healthy 2018. If you would like to join me in the Black Room, just contact T3 and you can stop by, check us out for a week or two, ask us questions, see what you know, how you like it. I'm sure you will, but see how you like it. And if it clicks, then you've found a place that has a great community of traders, professional traders, led by a number of incredible moderators also. My co-moderators are just amazing. I hope you saw the trade review of BAX today that Ifan called in the room. That was awesome, I thought. And you know, profitable traders that we come out ahead almost every single day, right? So I hope to see you there, and talk to you soon. Take care, everybody.